Welcome everyone to 10 out of 10, where we rate products and services used to run my small business, giving them a rating from 1 through 10 in under 10 minutes. My name's Terrence Thornton. Let's get started. Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Shark Duo Clean model NV200. I purchased this a little over 3 years ago, and so let's check it out. Every shop at home network seems to use CHEERIOS as their measurement of a vacuum's ability to clean. So I chose CHEERIOS. On the vacuum pull the Miss CHEERIOS back. Right there. These CHEERIOS can only be picked up if the vacuum faces it now. Fail. That was 1 foot long strands of hair. Here's 6 inches. I never had to vacuum up anything this long at school, but a big selling point for this vacuum was that it's tangle free, so I had to test it. I wish I considered the width of this vacuum before I bought it. With it only being 10 inches wide, it makes what should be a 10 to maybe 15-minute job into a 20 to sometimes 25-minute job. So here you go. Here are the scores. For tangle free, I gave it an 8. Even though you may not vacuum up long pieces of hair, things like that, just for my regular use, I still had some tangle. I cleaned it out before the shoot. So, still could be better. For suction, I gave it a 7. For me to pass it over the Cheerios and to pass it over so many times and still have visible crumbs from, a little bit over 6 feet away, that was a miss for me. And then for value, I gave it a 9. What drove this score high was its price. I paid about $135 for it. Yes, I bought it off of QVC, so I liked the price. But when it comes to satisfaction, which I gave it a 7 on, I think that it only being 10 inches wide was a miss for me. And so it just makes my job harder. That's why overall it gets a 7.75. Shark is still claiming tangle-free performance, but now they've expanded, so not just on their uprights, but on their cordless, as well as robot vacuums too. Must be something about these Cheerios. Shark does make a vacuum that's about 15 inches wide. However, I'm not sure if it's going to be the right one for me. I am looking to replace the current one that I have, but I'd rather hear, what do you have? What do you recommend? Please share your recommendations in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.